Pepe coin holders, it's happening. Pepe is pumping. It's unstoppable. We're going to be talking about that today. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Hit that bell. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys. We are looking at crypto Twitter, and I have a little question for you. You can follow me 333 Blacksea. I say Doge versus Sheeb versus Pepe. Hold one and only one for 1 year. Which one are you picking? Guys, I'm picking Pepe. I think that Pepe coin is the chosen meme coin. Not any of these hot flashes, quick hot flash in a pan. Pepe is here to stay, guys. It has the most mind share. It has proven the test of time. I think it has much more room to go. So looking at Pepe right now, we're in our very important channel here, guys. I've been talking about this for quite some time. If you've been a Crypto Report watcher for a while, you know I've been talking about Pepe, and I've been talking about these price levels and this bullish trend line, this yellow line that's coming to the upside. I said closures above this line indicate we are getting ready to see a big relief bounce. That's exactly what we're seeing play out right now. The question is, how high does this take us? Are we going to new all-time highs? Guys, I'll be honest with you. Looking at Bitcoin, it would indicate that we are getting set up for a larger move for Pepe. I'm long Pepe. I'm long on some alts. Guys, I think it's green candle season here. We're going to be talking about that because, guys, I have a six-figure XRP long right now. I'm looking for a Pepe long, but I don't know how much position size. I still am a little bit shaky on longing memes significantly right now. Sure, I'll throw a couple $1,000 at it, but not a significant trade just yet. I have spot Pepe. I have spot Pepe, but I don't want to really leverage up just yet until I see clear indicators that we are basically good to go, because the macroeconomics of this world right now are quite negative still, but it does seem like those tariff talks are moving away. It does seem like the Fed is getting closer and closer to rate cuts and quantitative easing. Thus, risk-on assets are going to be going up, aka look at Pepe, guys. Look at this. If you measure from the breakout of this, and if you followed this trade, and I said if we break above this and see daily candle closures, expect big moves to come and test these two levels here at 4 zeros 12 and 4 zeros 14, then you would have made significant profits, guys. If you were to measure this to the top here, you would have caught a 56.40% gain. If you were to 10x leverage on that, that would have been a 560% gain on your money, basically a 6x on your money, guys. And if you do want to follow along with me, I'm making some big long trades. I'm up about $5,000 in the profit on XRP, and you want to leverage long some of these positions as well, or you want to short because you think that the top is in, whatever you want to do. If you want to take advantage of it, please take a look in the description box or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus. All you do is click that link, deposit Trailbit. You get a bunch of free money. They also have some awesome promotions as well. Like the more trading volume you do, the more rewards you get. You can get a Tesla Model 3 if you trade, I think it's like $100 million in trading volume, which sounds crazy, but when you're doing 10x, 100x leverage, that happens quite quickly. You'd be very surprised. So, looking here, Pepe ranked 25, up 77.27% in the past 7 days. That's significant moves, guys. Look at that. It's just can the frog flip the dog? I think it's possible, honestly, especially at this rate. And, you know, it's ranked 25, okay? And Dogecoin and Sheeb are much higher. Sheeb is rank 15. Dogecoin is rank 8. They have billions and billions of dollars on Pepe. I think Pepe has some significant catching up to do, and I think it will happen because, like I said, the mind share behind Pepe is much more significant than Doge and Sheeb. Yeah, sure, like Elon Musk is tied to Dogecoin, and kind of like Vitalik is a little bit tied to Shiba Inu, but they don't really promote it that much. Elon will promote Doge sometimes, but guys, Pepe has more mind share than all of those combined. Pepe the Frog was like the number one meme, not the meme coin, the number one meme in the internet. Like everyone knows what Pepe the Frog is. And you look at this, guys, we're sitting at a $6.1 billion market cap, up 10.25%. Guys, we're just adding billions and billions and billions to this coin. I remember when it was 2.5 billion, 2.4 billion, like, I don't know, a week and a half ago. Pretty absurd that we were just rallying and rallying and rallying. You look at the overall market, you know, it's a Sunday right now. Bitcoin is in a little bit of a low volume territory, but guys, we tested 105,000, okay? Big moves are coming here. Ethereum rallied 20%. Bitcoin dominance is crashing. When Bitcoin dominance crashes, altcoins go up Meme coins make big moves. Guys, we're up 70, 80%, okay? I'm rounding up. We're 78.15, but we are basically up 80% in the past 7 days on Pepe. It's a 2x on your money. It's crazy. You look at Bitcoin right now, and it is showing right now that we're trying to make a test at new all-time highs. Anything closing above these blue lines here at about 94,400, in my opinion, I was saying, guys, if you've been watching the Crypto Report, guys, you got to hit the bell and you got to watch, because I've been predicting this to the T for the past, I don't know, 3 months or so, 4 months or so, saying, you know, guys, once we broke over 88K, I said, this is a very important inflection point. Either we are bouncing to 90, 94, or we're rejecting down. And guys, I said, if we start to close above 94, expect a test of 100,000 and expect a test of previous all-time highs at $110,000 Bitcoin. And really, that's going to be the next very important level, setting us up. Are we going to new all-time highs on Bitcoin, aka bringing Pepe to new all-time highs, or are we looking for a double top situation? And guys, you know, the crypto president, President Trump, the United States, is becoming very, very, telling people to buy stocks, becoming very, very, how do I put this? He's not being harsh about the tariffs, okay? He's saying that there's deals are getting made. China is getting more cozied up with the U.S. These tariff deals look like they're going to be going away. Guys, the risk on asset space will be in a much more favorable environment when that happens. So, guys, I'm bullish Pepe. I'm very bullish on Pepe. I think there's a good chance that we test all-time highs, especially if Bitcoin is testing 110K. Just look at this strength on Pepe, like from the bottom to the top. If you're buying Pepe, like, you would have caught a huge move, 171% gain from the bottom to where we're at right now. And I do think that there's a good chance that we come and test all-time highs at about 4.028,434, 28435. Okay, it gets tricky when there's all those decimal points, but I'm bullish on Pepe. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that Pepe is getting ready to hit all-time highs? How high do you think Pepe is going to go? Is it going to go to $1? I think we've talked about $1. The only way it will really go to $1 in my mind is that they burn a lot of the tokens. But that being said, guys, I think Pepe has multiple X's in the bank by the end of 2025. It's a very exciting time. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Follow me at 333blacksea on Twitter. And check out Blowfin down below if you want to be profiting and you want to be capitalizing on this momentum to the upside. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.